Loves, this is me Alicia. This is my first video in YouTube. I'm so nervous, so bear with me. Hopefully you're going to love this video, and if you love it, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. This look is for Noboborsho. I know we can go outside, but still we can celebrate it with our family and put some glam on our face. Hey loves, let's start the tutorial. Now I am using Nivea Aftershave Balm as my primer. I'm going to wait for 2 minutes after applying it. Now I am using Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation, and it's not my shade, okay? It's lighter than my skin tone, but this is the closest shade I can find. It's not as white as it is looking. I think it's camera problem, or I don't know, but in real life it's not that much white, and it's also oxidized, so if you're getting that, then get one shade lighter. As my concealer, I'm using Level Pro Concealer. I can't remember the shade. I'm going to link it in the description box. See, I'm looking really high in the sky, asking God that why he gave this line to me. So I'm trying to hide my lines with concealer. After blending the concealer, I have done my eyebrows in the off camera, and now cleaning it with concealer. Now here is a tip. If you have creasing problem, then don't set your concealer straight after blending it. Give it time, and in the sometime your extra concealer going to set in your lines, and after that see really high, like super high, okay? And blend the concealer with upper stroke so that the extra concealer blend into your skin really well. I'm using W7 Banana Loose Powder for setting my under eyes and other part. I don't really bake my under eyes. I take loose powder with my wet beauty blender and press it to the skin. Here I am making a really funny face, like It's going to help you with your smile line if you have. Today I am using Soph X Revelation palette for my eyeshadow. Quickly I am going to do my one eye in off camera so that we can save some time, and I am going to come back in 1, 2, 3. I'm back! I am using Sweet and Sour as my transition color. Firstly I am padding the color, and then with circular motion I am blending it. Now I am taking 21 and padding it inner and outer corner for the yellow eye look. On this point I am not thinking about blending it, I am just padding the color. Now with concealer I am cutting the center for highlighting. I didn't set my concealer and go straight to the last one. Also using a blinding golden highlighter from Golden Sugar to Rose Gold palette for really popping effect. Now I am taking Enchanted and Melted Wine together and darken my inner and outer corner, also my crease. Again taking sweet and salt for blending it really well. For the under eye, I am taking a pink eyeshadow from another palette and putting vitamin C in the inner corner. You know, in this time vitamin C is a must. I know I am not funny. Using MN eyeliner in my waterline. Now I am using Imagic mascara and putting teeny mini eyeliner and finish the look. Here's some close-up of the finished eye look. I am taking Revelation Ulta Contour Palette and mixing that two shades for my contour. For the contour, never ever cross your eyeballs. Like imagine a straight line to your eyeballs to cheeks. Never cross that line, okay? Oh no, I forgot to highlight my brow bone. Okay, I have done it. Now see, I'm not rubbing my brush, I'm just patting it for my contour. For blush, I'm using Jordana blush. I think is in shade Rose Silk. I'm not sure. Again, I'm going to put it in description bar. Who says? Literally, who says Revelation Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold Palette is a blush? I don't think so. Oh, look at the glow. I can blind you with that. Right? Or absolutely right. Give me highlighter. I am happy. For lips, I am taking Imagic matte lipstick in shade 28 and it's like a mix of coral and red. It's really pretty color. Okay, my eyelash is on and here is the final look. I have applied bindi also. You know, a Bengali look can't be complete without a bindi. And here is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys loved it. And if you loved it, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if it's not necessary, then please don't go outside. It's going to help not only you but also your family and whole nations. Love you. Bye.